Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Gunpla Network News. As always, I'm your host, The Spicer, and of course this video wouldn't be possible without our fine sponsor, HobbyLink Japan. The largest online shop for all your favorite hobbies with a private warehouse option, currency filters, and global shipping. HLJ has you covered for all your Gunpla needs. Check their link in the description below. Starting us off, we have the Petite Saber Soji Akita, set released March 21st of 2020 for a price tag of 1,540 Japanese yen. Now if you're unfamiliar with this is a character from the Fate Grand Order mobile game from the Fate franchise. Akita Soji is a Saber class servant, so a sword-wielding historical figure who is a great warrior that you can summon in-game and that is summoned in-universe to fight the Holy Grail Wars or some variant of it depending on the game or the storyline. We also have some new Haropla with the Haropla Tokyo 2020 Paralympic game version, set to release in June of 2020 for a price tag of 880 Japanese yen. This is the Paralympic version of the Haro in a white outer shell with a kind of a pinkish red interior, and the display base has the Paralympic logo on it. You also get a Tokyo 2020 sticker to put on the back. So if you're very excited for the Olympics and Paralympics coming up, this is something you'll want to keep an eye out for. Now, of course, you couldn't have that just by itself. You also have to have the Olympic version set to release in June of 2020 as well for 880 Japanese yen. Same deal here, a white outer shell with a more blue interior, looks like maybe a couple shades of blue, and the base has the Tokyo Olympic symbol on the very bottom. And you get that same Tokyo 2020 sticker to put across the back of the Haropla. In high-grade news, we also have the high-grade RX-78-2 Gundam Paralympic Tokyo 2020 version set to release in June of 2020 for a price tag of 1,320 Japanese yen. Bandai is collaborating with the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games to bring you this version of the Revive RX-78-2 high-grade Gundam. With a red, white, and gray molds, this is going to be the version that is going to don the Paralympic logo. You get a Tokyo 2020 sticker, or might just be molded in, that goes across the chest, and a shoulder emblem to put that says Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games. We also have the high-grade RX-78-2 Tokyo 2020 Olympic version set to release in June of 2020 for a price tag of 1,320 Japanese yen. This is the same deal, but Bandai partnering with the Olympic Committee for this as well. But this is going to be molded in a white and blue and gray with a couple of different shades in there of, looks like a couple of different blues. Same deal with the Tokyo going across the chest and the Paralympic or the Olympic Games logo being up on the shoulder.
Hey, this is Chris with Gunpla Network. We've got some news that dropped this morning. Because of the current worldwide situation, 2 kits have been delayed, sadly. The first kit is the HGUC 1144 ME02R Messer. It has been delayed from June 2020 to July of 2020. The second kit that got delayed is the HGBDR 1144 Gundam Triage Magnum. It has been delayed from June 2020 to July of 2020. So, not a long wait, but it is what it is.
In P-Bandai news, we have the Re-100 Gun Easy Ground Type Bluebird Team Colors, set to release in July of 2020 for a price tag of 3,850 Japanese yen. The LM111E02 Gun Easy Ground version is a remodeled Gun Easy from the Victory Gundam timeline. This is a direct descendant of the GM series, just much earlier in the Universal Century. Much like the GM, it is a simplified version of the Gundam from its timeline, but in a different color with the dark blue and red accents. It gives you very, very Titan-esque vibes. In Gundam Base exclusive news, we have the Gundam Base exclusive Ailstrike Master Grade Clear Color version, set to release in July of 2020 for a price tag of 4,620 Japanese yen. This Master Grade Ailstrike sports the clear color, but also kind of a pearlescent version of the plastic that's normally cast in, with a more pearlized white and the red and blue being clear. Now, the GAT X105 AQ M/E-X01 Ailstrike Gundam is the high maneuverability flight pack version of the Strike Gundam, which is much more maneuverable in space and in atmosphere than its launcher or sword counterparts. Also, in Gundam Base exclusive news, we have the Master Grade Freedom Gundam 2.0 in clear color, set to release in July of 2020 for a price tag of 4,950 Japanese yen. Now, this is just the same thing. The white is very pearlized, but all the blues and the reds and kind of the blacks are all translucent to where you can see directly through them. The ZG MFX-10A Freedom Gundam is the predecessor to the Strike, at least in terms of the anime. This is Kira Jesus Yamato's second mobile suit and the one he uses into Gundam Seed Destiny. It has become a fan favorite over the years. Now for the top 5 of the week. In 5th place, we have Moki Mats in his Wing Knight Zero. In 4th place, we have Nguyen Tuan An and his Stray Sengoku Custom White Tiger version. In 3rd place, we have Amsel Samuel and his Master Grade Jester Custom. In 2nd place, we have Mohad Muzami and his Jupiter Gundam codename Hijack. In 1st place, we have Greg Ramusin and his high-grade Garazulu Custom. And that has been the news for this week. In the comments down below, let us know what you're most excited about seeing, and of course like and subscribe. If you've not checked out any of our other videos, we do way more than just news. We've got a little bit of something for everybody. Of course, I've been the Spicer, this has been the Gunpla Network News, and as always, keep on building.